Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll explain how to use budget planning section. This section is being used to understand estimated expenses and plan your budget either separately by every month or several months or year. To begin, you will need to access budget planning section. You can do it either from home page or from left side menu. Top left corner allows you to select year of planning and load button loads data for selected year. There are two tabs, budget plan and templates. We'll start from templates, since this tab allows to create budget categories. Create root category allows you to add main categories, and later in every category you can add subcategories by pressing Add Subcategory button on the right side. You can also expand or collapse each category separately or all at once, using buttons above the categories. On creation of each subcategory of the last level, you will be able to select source from which values for this category will be taken. For example, under category main, we have subcategory salary, which does not contain any more subcategories, meaning this is the last level of the branch, and we can select crew gross wage value to be taken from crewing module for this subcategory automatically. After creation of categories, they will appear in budget plan tab. If values are not being taken automatically, you can either enter them manually by double-clicking on each field. Again, only last subcategory in each branch can be edited. For example, we can edit salary values, but cannot edit purchasing, since it has subcategories. After double-click, pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter values. Deduction value means the sum in your selected currency. Comment field should be filled to explain reason of added value. After adding deduction value, you can press plus sign and attach files. These files will be visible under attached files section. Entered values will appear in budget plan tab, but if you will refresh the page, they will disappear from the table, but not from the database. Your entered values will be kept, but recalculated each hour. This helps to avoid overload of the system and keeps it running fast. You can also enter values by applying budget code when proceeding vessel order. For example, you can enter 1221 budget code, the code of one of the subcategories, and all expenses from that order will be added to budget planning. Months drop-down list allows to select which months will be included in budget planning. You can hide columns using checkboxes, zero values, budget column, fact column, and reserved column. Hope this information was helpful, subscribe to stay tuned, and thanks for watching.